In a stunning move, U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi revealed on Tuesday that the Justice Department will seek the death penalty for Luigi Mangione, the man accused of murdering UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson in a Midtown Manhattan shooting last December. The announcement marks one of the most significant actions taken by the U.S. Department of Justice in recent years, reflecting both the gravity of the crime and the Trump administration's renewed focus on capital punishment. Bondi stated that she had instructed Matthew Podolsky, the interim U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of New York, to pursue the death penalty if Mangione is convicted of capital murder charges. In a statement, Bondi said, and I quote, "This is a case that demands the fullest measure of justice," adding that the department would not back down in seeking the harshest penalty for what they called a premeditated terror-related murder. 26-year-old Mangione faces both state and federal charges after allegedly shooting and killing Thompson, the CEO of one of United States' largest health insurance companies. The murder occurred in December 2024 in what authorities believe was a carefully planned and targeted attack. As of now, Mangione has pleaded not guilty to the state charges, and he has yet to be indicted on the federal charges. The federal criminal complaint against Mangione includes several serious charges: murder through the use of a firearm, 2 counts of stalking, and a firearms offense. While the federal charges are significant, the case will first proceed through New York State Court, where Mangione has been indicted on 11 counts, including first-degree murder. If convicted on the state charges, he faces a sentence of life in prison without the possibility of parole. One of the most chilling aspects of the first-degree murder charge is that it alleges Mangione killed Thompson in furtherance of an act of terrorism. In addition to the first-degree murder charge, Mangione faces 2 counts of second-degree murder, one of which also alleges that the killing was a crime of terrorism. Despite the severity of the charges against him, Mangione has attracted a growing following. His supporters have raised $700,000 to help cover his legal expenses, which is a significant sum for a case that has already garnered national attention. Meanwhile, Bondi's announcement aligns closely with President Donald Trump's stance on the death penalty. Since taking office, Trump has made it clear that he supports the use of capital punishment for certain crimes, particularly those involving terrorism and other extreme acts of violence. In 2024, he issued an executive order directing the U.S. Attorney General to pursue the death penalty for crimes deemed severe enough to warrant it. Under Trump's leadership, the U.S. carried out its first federal executions in nearly 2 decades, executing 13 inmates in the months leading up to the third term. This policy shift was hallmark of his administration's approach to law and order and set the tone for Justice Department's actions in the years that followed. When Pam Bondi took office as Attorney General in February, she echoed Trump's sentiment. In her first month, she issued a memorandum criticizing President Joe Biden's decisions to commute sentences for individuals convicted of serious crimes. She argued that such cases severely undermined the rule of law and that it was time to fulfill the government's promise to achieve justice. For more updates on Luigi Mangione's case, stay tuned to the official YouTube channel of the Indian Express.